Football in Wales is one of the most exciting sporting prospects of this century. Internationally, we rank in the top 15. Nationally, we have a thriving premiership, and regionally, we have more young talent coming through the ranks than ever before. And with so many new players and clubs, there is a team you can join that puts you at the heart of the action. Refereeing in Wales is a huge opportunity, and we need more referees. Training can take as little as 6 weeks. You can do most of it from home, and the FAW supports you every step of the way. It keeps you fit, challenges you, takes you to new places, and even pays you for the privilege.
I got training with another Welsh Premier League assistant referee in Aberdeen, so I think that's good that we're training exactly the same as well, because we're both competing against each other but in the same team then.
For those people that are thinking about getting into refereeing, I would strongly suggest that they just give it a go. You get a massive buzz when you come off the pitch.
So the most rewarding thing for me is 22 handshakes at the end of the game, of course. The money side of it, I really enjoy it. I love keeping active and I love keeping it part of football.
There's nothing better than having a standard of refereeing on your CV when you're going for a job. The rewards I have from refereeing, it's a hobby. It keeps me fit. If my wife isn't watching this, it stops me from going shopping with her every Saturday afternoon.
Went along to the course, started refereeing, I loved it. I feel more confident in myself to make decisions, and especially under lots of pressure like today with the game. You've got to make decisions really, really quickly. Probably one of the best decisions I ever made was to referee, and I love it.
What did your friends and colleagues do this weekend? Watch the game or be part of it? To see the full stories and for more information, visit faw.cymru.